Yeah, I've got the radio. Past Fort Royal, moderate traffic, 83.
Thursday, March 7th, 2024, 9:54 p.m., I-495, Virginia. Police chased a Jeep Cherokee SRT after the driver was spotted driving recklessly. Instead of stopping, Javon Mark, 23, from Reston, sped up and tossed a firearm out the window, which bounced off the ground and hit the trooper's car.
On Glen Park.
Coming up on Glen Park.
If anybody's there, got the office help us out. Bunch of us coming your way. Alright, coming up to Stonehaven, 120, light to moderate.
Coming up to Stonehaven.
Alright, speed's about 100, slowing down. Might be making a U-turn here, stand by. Continue to pass, NH.
Trying to get the brakes at the office.
In a second, we're coming up on King David Boulevard, speeds are about 80.
Coming up on King David.
Hold on for a second, I got something to light.
I still got the radio. We're coming up to Ollie, passing Ollie, coming up to Twin Brook. Speeds 100.
Coming up to Sundown.
I've got the radio now, back with you. We're coming up on the office here in a second. If you got the stop sticks out, get them out. Alright, making a... Alright, he's spinning around here.
The chase ended at Braddock Road and Twin Brook Road, where the Jeep rammed into the police vehicle before coming to a stop. Mark was arrested and hit with multiple charges, including assaulting an officer, evading police, reckless driving, and felony hit and run. 2 passengers were detained, but later released. A Jeep SRT might be fast, but when the cops are right behind you, speed isn't your way out.
Get your hands up! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Get him out, bro! Get out! Okay, I'm sorry! Get out! Okay! Get on the ground! Oh my God! I'm gonna cross the car! My face, bro! My face! I'm scared! I'm putting my hands back! Put your hands back right now! You messed up twice. Shut up, man! Stop talking! Shut up! You're trying to retrieve that firearm. I don't have a firearm. Stop talking! Shut up! Wait, sir. Look what you did in my car, genius! Huh? Look what you did in my car! No, I'm sorry, sir. Look, I don't have any. But look, I'm sorry, because my car... Shut up, you're under arrest. What's up?
Tuesday, January 2nd, 2025, 6:56 p.m., North Little Rock, Arkansas. A driver runs a red light, ignores police, and speeds up to 100 miles per hour. As they exit the freeway, speed drops to 80 miles per hour, then 40 miles per hour. But they still refuse to stop.
Foot bail. Black male in the apartment. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up right now!
The chase leads to an apartment complex where a passenger bails out and runs. Police quickly catch him, but there's still one more suspect in the car. Despite his attempts to dodge questions, the officers aren't fooled. A drone is deployed to assist the search while the second suspect is pulled from the car.
Do not move! Roll over to my left side. Roll, yeah, roll over. I don't care if it's wet. Roll. I said roll. Oh, keep going. Roll. Oh. Roll. I'm good at it. Watch them pass. Got it. Got you. Hey, do not move. I ain't move. I ain't going on. I ain't doing that. Do not move. I'm good. Watch the car. Got you. There's somebody in the back seat. Yeah, there's somebody in the back. Okay. Hey, mama. Hey, who was that jumped out the car? See, I don't even know, man. We got him. No, are they in there? Yeah, he's in the back there in the parking lot. Gave somebody a ride and he just, man. Hush!
Both are arrested and face multiple charges. The lesson? If you're going to run from the cops, at least don't do it in a place loaded with cameras and drones.
Back, West Town. What was he wearing? All black hoodie. He fell out the car. He fell out? Yeah.
Tuesday, January 2nd, 2025, 9:16 p.m., Texarkana, Texas-Arkansas border. Police were chasing John Clark, speeding at 100 miles per hour in a stolen Chevrolet Silverado, after he was caught doing 80 miles per hour in a 40 miles per hour zone.
Communication isn't good. If you guys have to shot TBI, go ahead and do it.
Yeah, I want to keep trying until he can take over. Too shallow. Car ahead. Cars.
Clark tore through I-30 West, then onto I-369 South, desperately trying to shake the cops. At 102 miles per hour, officers executed a tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, sending him into a cable barrier, but he still pushed on. Out of options, Clark bailed, sprinted across the highway, slid down a hill, and waded through a soaked ditch before getting tackled by police. Busted on the spot for vehicle theft, evading arrest, and driving with a suspended license. Some races don't end at the finish line. They end in handcuffs.
Someone picked it up as we were running.
Okay, because I'm going to put up the Marietta Boulevard in my direction. Southbound on Marietta Boulevard, West Marietta. Westbound West Marietta. Southbound there to West Highland Drive, so it's this neighborhood over here, you drive westbound, southbound. West Highland Drive. Alright, just right now, 2 Drive and West Highland Drive. Driver is running eastbound 178 with an eye on the driver. Eastbound burn through the southwest Highland Boulevard. Hollywood Boulevard, Sample Lane, eastbound Sample Lane, up into Wall Street. Okay, double off, there's an officer in hot pursuit.
Monday, January 20th, 2025, 1:29 p.m, State Highway 69. Trooper Ethan Sanders clocked Aaron Laxton at 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometres per hour, in a 55 miles per hour, 88 kilometres per hour zone in a stolen Ram pickup. Instead of stopping, he sped up, swerved into oncoming traffic, and brake-checked police.
Roll over. Let me see!
He blocked multiple TVI attempts, but was finally forced off-road, rolling multiple times, crashing through a fence, and stopping in a field. Police arrested him on the spot, finding a gun inside the truck and meth with syringes at the impound lot. Though drug charges were dropped, Laxton still faces theft, evasion, and reckless endangerment. Thought speeding was a smart escape. Wrong. Run faster, fall harder.
Don't touch it.
I'm not touching it. My hands are up. Look.
Get on the ground. Right now.
Okay, don't shoot me.
I'm not going to shoot you.
Please don't shoot me.
Get on the ground.
Dude, I'm telling you, Satan's going to body, man.
Get on the ground.
God help me, Father, right there. Please. I'm sorry, I didn't do anything. I stole the truck.
You didn't do anything, but you stole a truck.
Well, you stole it from me.
Get up.
Hey, in there. God help me.
You got anything? What do you got?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't
I got
know?
knives and stuff, but that's it.
Stay right there.
Like I had a Bible. I have a Bible in there.
Get it right here. Get him. Get it. 5-10 minute test show today. We're on way on Drive.
On Wednesday, April 20th, 2022, police spotted a blue-grey Dodge Charger acting suspiciously on Victory Drive. As officers approached, the driver sped off, ran a red light and swerved into oncoming traffic before ditching the car and fleeing on foot. While escaping, he threw bullets and a backpack. Officers deployed a taser, bringing him down.
We're going to be going, turn on Fort Benning Road. Fort Benning Road.
Left. Red light, intersection.
Left clear, right clear. Right, wrong way of travel.
Hey! Stop! Let me see your hand! Taser!
What is 10-3, 10-33, time 10-80, 10-80.
Let me see your hand! Let me see your hand! Get down!
Hey, I'm going hands on, big guy.
Go ahead.
All being stupid today. Damn! All right. Damn! Get up. Come on. Fall! Get up. Get safe, big guy. Walk straight. Fall! Come on, man. Yeah, you fucked that up, man.
Five, man, that's 1095. 10-4, 1095.
After the arrest, Marcus Walden, born 1996, was found carrying a stolen gun and a large bag of illegal substances. A convicted felon, he was booked into Muskogee County Jail. His sentence is unclear, but if he thought running would save him, he seriously miscalculated. Once you're in the police spotlight, there's no easy way out.
Also notify CPD. There's going to be a penetration call on Victory Drive, Airport Benham Drive. That vehicle's going to be off in the wood line. Let me just look at my car. Damn.
Nah.
Big guy. Yeah, you did. You the one that ran from a 17 bullshit. Okay.